Everyone, so today is the day. We are finally releasing the little turtles. Um, it is quite a sad moment because I know that everyone loves them and I really like them too. But sometimes it's best to give to nature, uh, well, to get things back in nature. So, bye. Bye, Donatello. We're great, but stop being lazy all the time. Michelangelo, you were the fastest of all, and really energetic. Keep it going. You were awesome, man. Raphael, you were hiding in the moss. Maybe you were trying to hide your hanger or something. Anyway, you're really awesome. Keep it going. And finally, Leo, the brother of them all. The one that really loved Pepe the frog. Leo, out of the four, you will probably be the more missed. Especially for me. But, it was really fun, and I hope one day I will catch you when you will be a bit bigger. Take care of your brother now. Bye, you little guys. It was fun. And hey, look, we have already a new frog friend. A frog friend, yeah. They grow up so fast. Oh my god, that frog tried to eat them. They're too big for you, frog. Alright, well, I think they will be good at where I release them. Michelangelo is already pretty far. He was the fastest of them all. And they are really close to the water, so it will be easy for them to go out and swim. At this size, turtle are pretty much at risk. There is a lot of predator out there, and chances are I will never be able to see them again. But hey, who knows? One day I might find them back, and it will be pretty awesome. I know that one of my friends have some really big turtle, like adult one. So one of these days I will do a video about those big turtle, so you can realize why I had no chance, no choice other than release them back in nature. So anyway, that was John Michael for a new episode of Nature at its Best, and I really hope the little turtle will go well in the nature. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you real soon. Say the last bye. Goodbye, my friend.